Hey traders, what's happening? Happy Monday to you. From Venice Beach, still here. Last day, last night. It's been fantastic, and happy to be concluding this traveling stream with the Kang himself, Kang Logan. He's here. He's here. It's just like, this webcam's nothing like the Brio, dude. If I just get the Brio, man, and it'll be like 1080. It'll be like we didn't even leave, man, right? So, yeah, y'all. Hey, what's the headline of the stream? You know, hey, what? We haven't looked at Bitcoin first in a while. We've been looking at all these S coins. Well, you know, it's kind of important to talk about the big one, you know, every now and then, and that's what we're doing. And Bitcoin price prediction is, we think 4,076 still, right? We think that, look, man, I get it. You got the wedge. You got, whether it's a wedge or a flag from a huge move up, your impulse down, you're upslope consolidation, you're hitting the golden zone, you're failing to break above it. We think... Get wrecked, dude. Get wrecked. So the impulse up and the downslope consolidation gives you reason to believe that we would be, look, we're consolidating properly as one should after an impulse, meaning it's probably going to have the fuel and energy and ability. Look, we're resetting the oscillator, right? We were overbought. We got up there. We were like freaking 80 on the RSI, and now we're at 61. So we're resetting the oscillator so we can get overbought again. All right, and what's going to happen is if we do break to the upside, right, and hit these areas, the good entries for these bearish cyber patterns, we hypothetically we could be looking at a lower high on positive momentum than a previous high, and that would give us that bearish divergence. Is all hypothetical until it happens, but same thing in the RSI. So you run up, you get to 70, 75 on the RSI, you'd be looking at bearish divergence on higher prices. And so that's just like the critical thinking you need to maybe be able to project where we might be going. So you see it, man. We've already rounded out on the negative momentum. We're already getting back to neutral. So you could maybe expect to see some positive momentum, but that positive momentum is most likely not going to be higher than the previous hump we had on this nice little initial impulse, right? Bottom of the, you know, wedge, whatever. So again, man, it lines up almost like perfectly. This is what maybe we could see coming up. Okay, that's the question marks for. We just don't know. But the prediction would be, predictions, man. SEO, clickbait, wreckage, ponage, 786. Okay, X to C, 78% retrace, 4,076. All right, that's it, man. That's it. Measure move, if you were looking at this like a bull pull, bull flag, measure move will be much higher. It would be looking probably around the 100% retrace, around 4,200, 4,186, 100% retrace from X. See, right? All the way up. So that's kind of what we're thinking. Could be a possibility, right? Impulse up, high volume, and then the downslope consolidation with receding volume just gives us you know, the inclination of knowing the calm before the storm. Okay, so that impulse consolidation, you make another move after that, and it's just hinting bullishly because that impulse before the consolidation was bullish. So you'd think one more leg, and then we could sell off from there. So that's it, chat. Okay, that's Bitcoin. All right. Oh my God, man. Okay, can you believe it, dude? Take a look at chat real quick, and then we'll just keep rolling. What's up, Jimmy Trona, XRP for me, Dan Styles, David Wolf, Coffee Crypto. I've not had much coffee since I've been here.
You had your first today.
Yeah, dude.
Yes.
Yeah, it was good, but it wasn't everyone. So get right. Peter Von Morgan. Oh yeah, you checking on my Instagram, dude? Yeah, we were at the waterfront up there, right there on Venice Beach, man. Got to play. People were playing some jazz music, and definitely tipped them. Definitely tipped them. Because they were good, man. They were real good. Faison, Peter K, hi, ASL, age, sex, location, whatever. What's up, JD? Bob Fields, Mrs. Chapman, Wilson. See, there it is. David Wolf. He knew about Wilson, man. What's up, spiritual audiobooks, interview full. Good to see you too, brother, man. Jeremy S, dude. Jeremy S, man, you always ask good questions, man. You're a critical thinker, dude, and I love it, man. What's up, what? No mic again. Oh, yeah, that was earlier. Yeah, dude, I don't start. I'll go 5 minutes starting soon. And, like, you just can see me because I don't have the... I could download them. It's just stuff, man. It's kind of... Yeah, we've been doing things, man. All right. Yeah, you're good, dude. What's up, Zipper, dude? Living the dream out here, I guess, man. It is the dream. This is the dream, man. Like, holy crap. If I get done with stream every day and I got this world out here in front of me, man, holy crap, dude. What a different place this is than where I live currently. And it's awesome, man. What's up, Tom Crypto Newbie, dude? Good vibes to you, dude. All right.
Oh, no.
Look, he's going to bring out the tequila.
The marijuanas in Cali.
The marijuanas? No, dude. What's the marijuanas, dude? I don't understand. I don't even know what that is, man. Okay. Okay, XLM, yeah, we'll look at it, dude, okay? Look at it. We'll just go on ahead and move to Ethereum real quick, knock it out. Come on, dude. Just again and again and again. You just can't break this trend line. But look how you're bouncing off the 200 moving average. All right. Still seems okay, right? Impulse up, down and consolidation, 50% retrace from a low point to high point here. Not pictured. It seems very likely, especially if Bitcoin breaks the upside, you would see Ethereum correlate with that. And a measure move with a huge pattern would bring it all the way up to 159, 160, which unknown if we'll get there. Okay, so that's it, dude. That's like the analysis hasn't changed really much on Ethereum, where you just got this potentially huge rising wedge going on. Okay. And we know on the daily that potential bearish Gartley pattern. All right, so just keep your eye on this one. Probably a premature breakout, right? Where we pulled back inside the pattern, but we're holding pretty strong at just common retrace levels. So that's good, man. Not a big deal. That's it, man. That's it. Ethereum. Just lows, the lowest low, now the higher lows. So your forms of accumulation. All right, now see, look, if you adjust here, dude, what does that turn into? Is that a rising wedge then? Yep, that's a nasty. Oh my god, a rising wedge within a rising wedge. Wedgeception, dude. Look at this. Holy crap, that's a beautiful rising wedge too. Super.
Where's the apex at? Right on the fibs.
Yeah, the apex is right around that 618. That's Grandpa Joe and Charlie Bucket fizzy lifting drink at the Golden Retrace, dude. Are you kidding me, man? Uh-oh. Chat, a little bit of monkey S.
And it's like lined up, like almost with the measure move.
Yeah, almost. Yeah, but it's like, you know, measure move is always a good like gauge, but a lot of times you don't hit the measure move because there's overwhelming resistance before you get there. There's bearish divergence. There's all kinds of variables that can prevent you from getting to the measure move. It's just a good way of looking at something for a target if we broke it, but it's not a foolproof thing. Nothing is on these markets, right? So we're just gonna hold it like this, leave it alone. We'll mess with it later on the measure moves, okay, on these breakouts. But that's an interesting development, right? Just made adjustments to the most previous price action, and it's now forming a nasty little rising wedge, which that's giving more reason to possibly believe and move the downside to the bottom trend line of this larger rising wedge, right? It seems like that could be a target, right? That would put you right down there. Okay, man. Okay. That's Ethereum. Everyone's monkey S-ing, dude.
1G's here, dude.
What's your project, man? 3 white soldiers? That is incorrect. Correct, dude. So you're saying there's a chance. Yeah, like, dude. Saying there's a chance. What's up, Parl? She says hello to you, too.
Oh, hey.
Hope you enjoyed the last night in Cali. Yeah, hope so. Hope so. What's up, Papanaya Shelly? You love the TA? Love you, man. Thank you, dude. Thank you for the support. Crypto Kiwi, hello. Sully Tube says, Mitch, much props for the consistency. St. Patrick's Day feed must have took a lot out of you, but you keep trucking. Sully Tube, man. Thing is, man, I love doing this. So, like, it's funny. It's like MK's kid even said, it's like, you're working. You're working. It's like, it just doesn't. It doesn't feel like it. I just like.
When work is pleasure.
Yeah.
Work anymore.
Yeah. Is it? It's definitely a good question because y'all make it so easy to come back every single day, man. If it wasn't for y'all, it would maybe be a grind or something. But it's just fun for me. I don't know. I really enjoy it. So Solitude, thanks for the props and thanks for watching, dude. Really.
Yeah,
Really appreciate it.
Johnny Ball how to bring up
That's
the
it.
measure.
Oh yeah. Okay. Here, easy. Okay, so pull that out, right? And then I think it's here. No, it's not here. It's which one? Can't remember. Is it this one? No way. No, it's not. It's crap.
Yes. different than mine.
I can't remember which one it's at. Oh, here it is. All right,
Oh,
so
yeah,
yeah, predictions and measurement tools, right? So look, this is it, dude. Okay, price range. But dude, what you want to do, all y'all, is like get your favorite tools, right? So I've got like that price range, the long position for trades reward to risk. You got the fib retracement, you got the parallel channel, the trend line, the horizontal line, the fib channel, rectangles and drawing tools, the brush, the short position, the text, the arrow, and then the XABCD, or just like, your harmonic tool. Those are like my faves. So like you can favorite them, right? You see these stars, you just click on them, all that. Some of them, they made like 3 have a hotkey, which is so stupid. You can't set your own hotkey, so it's dumb. So maybe that's just incentivizing why to use this thing. So I have that, and like it's all up here. It's like above like where indicators, templates, alerts are. Like you just can't see that. It just covers that, and so I don't have to use this crap on the left. It's all hidden. So all it's up here for me. All right. So hopefully that helps, Johnny Bull.
How to like save a default.
What do you mean a default?
Like you change your fib channel settings, and then you save it as the default, so that you don't have to change the settings again.
Oh, you don't. You just mess with it, and then as long as you get this
save button. Save it and rename it, so that if you have different variations.
Oh, really? I don't mess with it because I don't use the fib channel for
save list. So if you have different fib channel types, like different colors, if you go on different charts or different just settings for like which note or which fib lines appear.
Shoot, man, you might need to get on your trading view and show. I don't know. I never really dealt with that. It's like I just don't like on my fib channel. I just use the 0, 0.25, 0.5, 0.75, and 1. Right? I don't.
Yeah, just have different like color variations. So if I'm depending where I'm playing it at, it's like my sell, all the bottom lines under the heart line will be like red variations.
Yeah.
Everything above is green. So it helps me remind if I'm glancing through, like, where's the momentum and what am I looking for?
Yeah.
So it's just quicker analyses.
Kings 8 months strong, Kings.
Dude, Beast man, thanks for the 8-month resub on Twitch, dude. Much love, man. Much freaking love. Sorry, I don't have the tip jar set up for Streamlabs. It's complicated and it's annoying. So thank you, dude. I really appreciate that. And too bad there's no party lights in here, dude. All right. One day, dude. Okay. Thanks, brother, man. 8 months strong. Means a lot.
1G. This is for you, dude.
Cheers, bro.
Cheers.
Seriously. What's up, Crypto Hippie? Hey, Mitch, thanks for streaming on vacation. Now that's dedication. Dude, I don't. It's just fun for me. Y'all make it really fun, okay? Look at this, dude. Okay. Whatever, dude. Not even gonna talk about it. Pineapple. Hey, dude. It's funny. Those performers. They came up after they performed, and they were like, "Hey, man, we got to go to Mars, man. We got to go to Mars. We're actually competing against SpaceX." And I'm like, "Dude, shut up and take my money, dude." Okay. Yeah, the Elon memes are everywhere, dude.
Meet reality. All
over the place, man. Street performers got us covered, dude. ADA, so XLM ADA, yeah, dude. We'll think about it, dude. Like that. Yeah, it's Wedgeception, Bradford, dude. 3 red soldiers with morning stars. Yes, dude. Yes. Too many trivias, dude. The Kangage. All right, let's go to Ripple, everyone's favorite coin. Dude, XLM is now on Coinbase. Can you believe it, dude? How far we've come, man. All right, still triangular, still symmetrical of the triangulation kappa, but whatever. It's, dude, this is like it's just literally
textbook respect.
It just doesn't move much, man. Every day that goes by, it's like stable. I am the stable coin now. I am XRP. All right, falling wedge broke out. Same analysis as it's been, dude. Up sloping channel, and now you're contracting on price midway through it, right? With the lower highs and the higher lows, right? So neutral consolidation, could break down, could break the upside, but you'd expect if Bitcoin has one more hurrah, you'd at least like to see XRP break the upside. I don't know with the measure move. You're gonna have a lot of resistance in 35.4 cents, like as we hit that one time right up there, right? But the wedge, man, your minimum, really your targets for wedges for the most time like very, you know, common is like 50% retrace in 618, and we just haven't hit it yet. And if we had a measure move at this little triangle, that's going to put us very close to that target. So that's it, man. Then you zoom out, and Alex Cobb came in and was like, hey, man, what about this? And it's like, you know, these 2 touch points, like, yeah, dude, that probably will be a down sloping resistance as well. You know, weekly time scale. There it is, like higher lows, but then lower highs. We have not yet hit this.
So much white space on the upside.
Yeah, a lot of white space. Well, it's really like 1 and 2 is good, but then this didn't quite hit. This was Christmas Eve. Yeah, I remember this was a nice trade setup that we had on the Patreon. Fantastic, dude. I mean, this was our entry right here, like 28, 27 cents, something like that. Blasted off. We had 382, 50% was our target, but then it hit 618 because of some stupid news. It was just a tweet from Chen Peng Zhao, you know, CZ on Binance, whatever, dude. And so, like, then we formed the wedge, then we broke out, but we just have not gotten to those minimum targets, really, the 50% 618. But we knew when we called 382 being the first fib node, the common retrace zone, right? The golden zone. Wow. There might be life yet for Ripple, okay? So approaching an apex of the huge triangle, approaching apex of the small triangle. So, yeah, big things coming, man. Just be patient. Swing trader's mantra you must have, all right? Oh, yeah, man. It's the Tensor Dragon, the XRP stablecoin, man. Yeah, dude. Absolutely, dude. Yeah. Hold on. Partial rise? What? What you talking about, dude? Hold on, let me see. I'm looking for it. Not this one. Where's the other one? Is it here? Yeah. Let me look at this. There's something insane about the XRP longs or something, or shorts. Is it all-time highs? No, it's Litecoin maybe. I gotta find it. Look at this, man. Jeez, this is like... Yeah, man, I haven't looked at this in a really long time. Dude, that's crazy.
That macro channel.
Look at that support. No. Yeah. Probably on the daily it's diverging. Yep, look, lows, lower lows. Jeez, man. Okay, wow, that's pretty insane, dude. You're right, at a support back from August 2018. Wow. Okay.
Yeah, it's not good to fall.
I guess we can look at it just because I've...
Keeps getting rejected, whatever MA that purple is.
Yeah,
See,
50,
like,
50 day.
Driving it down hard.
Yeah, definitely 50 day. This is the short.
So go back in the
but wait, I don't even think this is the one. Someone's asking about, like, I think it's like maybe Litecoin shorts. Yeah, all-time highs. Look at that. Let's go to it. Let's go to it real quick. I knew it. Someone was saying something about it in Discord. Here's a Litecoin shorts chart, dude. Oh my god. It did. Oh my god. All right, it's just insane. It's just. Let's go to the daily on this. Make sure everything's good on my side. Yep, it's all good. Okay, daily. Here was all-time highs back from September 2017. That's been a while, man. Right. All right. So breaking out today. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not quite, right? That's pretty nice. It's more like a wedge, though, like 1 and 2. So, yeah, dude, that's pretty nuts, man. And then you got, like, from your high here, you got a higher high, but you got lower levels of positive momentum and lower levels of relative strength. So, I mean, this thing just keeps going high like this. And, I don't know, man, people are betting the farm on a dump for Litecoin, and it's just not come yet. And so hopefully these people understand that, like, it's Bitcoin, man. Like, if Bitcoin wants to dump, sure, it's going to make a lot of sense. But people just keep piling on to Litecoin shorts. I guess we'll just go to Litecoin after this and take a look at it, man. Okay, so you're diverging all-time highs as of today. Okay. So since this little assets existed since August 2017, you have not had this many people shorting.
Did I miss Ada Connect?
Is that a joint? Greg Morgan, 1941. Hey, dude, thanks for the 420 contribution. Yes, you did. Yes, you did totally. Cap up. Well, we were going to look at... Let's see what happens if I adjust here. Oh, no, that's not. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That makes some good sense right there, doesn't it? Having this is the anchor point, and then the 75.
Because that one, like, went for the run but failed to reach it. And then this one is, like, going for the run but hasn't quite reached it.
Yeah.
Like these two with the base
line up perfectly. Yeah. Wow. Go Litecoin. Go Litecoin. If you want to, we could actually, and this is nuts, and I don't know if you'll ever be able to do it, but this is the same thing we did with Binance, okay? When it hit all-time highs like this, you go from a high point to a low point. If you get a runaway, well, it's really actually down here a little bit more. Yeah, so that high point to low point, when you break out of things like this, I don't know if you're going to, because this is an exhaustion impulse, right?
Yeah, it's too high.
Too high, too fast.
It's already stalling out before it's even hit.
Yeah, so I don't know how you're going to have, you're already overbought on a daily time scale, probably the 4-hour too. How are you going to have the juice to get up to the 1272 target? That's like your first target. If you look at a traditional chart, you chart up this way, like the major high to low, you ran up, and now you're breaking out, and it's like there's no resistance until you get to fib extensions. That's all you can go by. So 373,817 is that first fib extension, and that would probably be a while before we get there, if we can even sustain prices above it, which is going to be really tough, man. All right, okay, man. All right, 88 Connect. Let's go, dude. Let's go to 88 Connect. Oops. 3 hour, no, that's weird. What? I can't remember. 88 of BTC Connect. All right, still going, man. Still going. Hit the 786 from the high point to low point. All right, the double bottom with the divergence. And if you look left, man, pretty nice, right? A low, look, a low, a lower low, a low, a higher low. It's like the symmetry, man. Pretty nice right there. And so you'd expect to see us at least hit this 100% up here. We're just not quite there. Very close. And it's crazy, man, because you had divergence. And then you broke down. You broke down on the divergence, but then rallied real quick. And so you can just extend it out and see. Let's see on the... Yeah, you still got some, man, right? So from a high to a higher high now, you still got a little bit of divergence, but you're breaking down, and it seems like you're just consolidating, getting ready to move up again, man. Like, this is what this is the type of stuff on 88 Connect you're looking at, right? It's just like a flag. You're just kind of flagging this. All right. So you see that impulse, down sloping consolidation, could be setting up for higher prices, which would make sense, man. Get you to that 100%. That's a nice move up, dude. Very nice move up. Okay. I mean, this is like huge couple with handle stuff, dude. Look, what do you want, man? 88 been getting eviscerated, dude, for a long time. April 2018, and then you broke out, kinda. You made these slightly lower lows, had all the divergence in the world, and then just start making higher lows, and then you were just being very symmetrical to your previous price action from the left side to the right side. And so maybe what'll happen is you come up here and then you sell off all the way down here before really running again. Just something to think about. But no, the double bottom, Montana killed it on this one, dude. And congrats to him on that. Maybe you too, Greg Morgan, dude. 88 Connect. Thanks, dude, for the 420. All right, there's your analysis. Holy crap. Hold on. Okay. So, but Tyed. Yeah, we'll get to it. We'll get to it. Is it killing it? What's up, Blister? Daring Rain. XRP longs is insane. We'll go to it. Then we'll go to XRP longs, and then we'll go to Litecoin. Yeah, dude. It's not that crazy. It actually looks beautiful, like some sort of Gartley. Wow, man. Holy crap. Right, let's try it out. Yeah, that's good, man. That's good too. 786 is right here, dude. Holy crap. Jeez, man. Jeez. So diverging like crazy. Make sure this. Dude, it's getting too jazzy for me. I gotta do something.
Let's just...
Yeah, I'm gonna turn it down a little bit and then just fast forward it. There we go. Make sure audio's still really loud. Wow.
No, it's not that loud. I'm listening it.
Yeah, is that okay?
I'm listening to it here. I can't even hear it. I'm listening.
Really?
Yeah.
But is it caught up yet?
It's like a whisper in the background.
So just a little bit?
A little bit more. Maybe like 1/3. That's the bar.
I'm looking at this. 30 is like normally good, and then I'm at 20 minus
Yeah,
20.
as long as it's not clipping into the red, it's fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll take your word for it, man. Okay, alright, y'all. So, potential bearish Gartley on XRP longs if we're gonna do traditional TA, right? I mean, dude, that's like pretty solid, dude.
Harm of Chimans, Klong's not USC.
Hey, Igno, thanks for the $5, dude. No worries,
Where
man.
like the end of this pattern would be, it's like right before the psychological event.
Oh, dude, look at that crazy rounded number.
Settings.
Oh, dude.
So it's
70
like,
million, dude.
everyone's gonna be thinking, oh, we're going short up here, and then right before, if you're playing guard,
And then it dumps,
it's
right?
like,
But yeah, it's already showing like crazy divergence on slightly
already popped out.
slightly higher highs, right?
Yeah.
You're just like kind of
there's nothing to hold it up right now at this point. Maybe the 50-day or whatever. That
look,
is.
that's where the consolidation
But
started.
That's reaching.
There's really just like an upsloping flag, right? So okay, that makes sense. So right, you have a huge impulse up, and then you consolidate upsloping with the trend, and we know that's like unhealthy. It's improper consolidation. So like it runs up, it does this crap long enough, demand dries up, and then it dumps, and then retraces. So yeah, this thing's about run its course, hasn't it? I mean, as it seems,
Yeah.
it really does seem like. Yeah, man, it looks beautiful. Someone's like, it looks crazy. No, it looks absolutely beautiful, man. All right. Wow. And normally you want to go between the... So it's not a Gartley. It's, is it? I'm trying to think about the retrace, man. The A to B retrace. All right, where it runs up. If it's a 618, that means an 886 might be the area. But I'm thinking, are we even using that wick? Is that even what should be used? If it's down here, it makes a lot more sense, like 50%. Or the majority of all the touches, right? Like 3 different 50% touches versus that stupid one wick. That makes
Is it on
sense.
the daily?
Yeah, daily, man. Yeah.
Let's see if that wick matters. Go on like a 4-hour and see if it is just a wick or if it.
No, it was
had
a
battle go through it. Oh yeah,
it was a crazy.
See, that's like nothing there.
Yeah.
So it'd make more sense to pull it down
Yeah.
here.
Yeah, dude. 50%, dude. Like right there. 382 to 50%. Right. So, it actually seems more like a bearish Gartley. Yeah, it is. It's bearish Gartley. It seems like. I thought bearish Gartley was a 786. No, that's. No, I'm right, man. It's not a bearish bat would be a 618 retrace, and then 382 to 50% is your bearish Gartley.
Mike Lamb says it looks like a drunk butterfly.
Dude, this
might
looks.
just be.
It looks solid, dude. It looks beautiful, man. So, you're now falling out of this little upsloping consolidation you're getting after the impulse. So, this is an area where it makes sense, right? Where are you at right now? Right up here. Look, you know where B to C's fib extension 1618 is, right, dude. This is a 1618, man, and that is like, you know, you're talking about like
65888.
you see that 1618 B to C.
888.
Oh, all the 888s in the world, dude, couldn't save you. And then the 777s, and then the 69s. Dude, too many numbers, man. Unreal. Beautiful though. Beautiful potential. I mean, it looks like a completed pattern. It looks like this is the area where people go short.
No better short.
Like, you know, that means like the longs will sell off, and we'll what we do is like if this was the top, let's just say it was, you go to from the low point to high point, you'd be looking for.
And look where like this big area of consolidation is there, lines up with the 618.
Oh yeah.
You know, and then the kind of top of this consolidation is the 0.5.
So you just look at it like this. 2 targets, your bread and butter targets right there. for any kind of short on this, even though it's the longs, meaning like you would go short on XRP and it would run you down to here and here. And then if you're lucky, the third target is that C, that 100% way down here. So that's a far away. What, dude?
Yeah, it's far there.
Dude, that's like almost half your value.
That'd be like 10%.
But you never know, man. Sometimes you get to those. A lot of times you don't get to the third target. That's like the windfall target. But these two are the main ones. So, yeah, man, there you go. Igno, thanks, dude, for the $5, dude. Kangs. All right. Kang, just go to Litecoin now. Look at this, dude. Look at this, breaking through. Well, you have your confluence zone right here. All right. I mean, this one was beautiful. Just looks like a rising wedge, man, and you're just like way up here, right?
Oh yeah.
You broke out of the structure. You from the height of the structure to the low point.
Break down high.
Yeah, you've surpassed the 50%, but you're like confluence, right? Because there's another swing high way up there that we're using, right? There's two different swing highs and the same swing low, and we've got a 236 and a 50% right here. So that's like definitely a struggle.
And look like near 48 is that line. Look near the 50. That's where it like tested once.
It's 42
went back
right
above
there.
And back tested.
Yeah, 42.
So it's like if it doesn't hold that, then you're like screwed. And if you fib like that and assume this is the high, it's probably going to line up with a fib node right there from like there to there.
And good news is like if it breaks out bearishly in respect to TA, then it's probably look. There's this trend line down here, like so
Yeah.
you'd be waiting to
So
hit.
if it breaks down by here and it like lines up. Over there,
Yeah, dude.
it
So
makes
like
sense
41,
to
42
think about
bucks.
something around there,
Yeah, interesting.
But it might take longer, and then it's not as an
Yeah,
abrupt a
it's
drop.
just a
and it's right
moving
where these
target.
cross up, like somewhere near there.
Yep. So like obviously you're in a high risk situation because you're showing bearish divergence on a 4-hour time scale. Like look, higher high, lower levels of relative strength, higher level or lower levels of positive momentum, right? So just let it be known, bearish divergence on Litecoin right now. And we don't know how long that'll last. We don't know how it'll play out. If it'll be a big move. It would seem like it though. I mean, this thing's been going on, so pretty nice looking pattern. Not your best wedge, but it's definitely two up slipping,
It's squeezing,
converging. Yeah, it could, but look how far it could keep going if it really wanted to. That's what's crazy. Daily, I got to turn these off. Hold on. Wait. I hate having to manually do it. I wish there was a way to just set it up to where it's like nothing will show up. Okay, look here, dude. Look here, listen. Daily and 4-hour bearish divergence. So we're time scale hopping and seeing divergence. That's bad. That's like really bad. Add a confluence area with a rising wedge.
You broke out of this longer term.
Yeah, that
trend,
channel, man.
and
You
it
back
stretched out
tested
too
it.
high, and it's just.
Dude, and look left, man. Resistance, because what happens if you break that? You go much higher. But again, like how you gonna do that when you're so exhausted on multiple time scales, multiple oscillators? Okay, so Litecoin definitely seems like it's ready for a more major pullback.
And if it like goes up and breaks back down, look at this like curvature. It seems like there's a big confluence zone in here of different indicators.
Look, dude, golden,
It's like
golden cross, dude.
Pop.
The golden cross, dude. But we did a video on it, so whatever.
The
It's
red-
here, man. It's
red and
here.
purple cross, dude.
We did it, dude. Hold on. I keep forgetting this thing's here. Hello, Chad. Is anyone there? Like when shorts get wrecked. So it's not too loud. The music's not too loud, really.
Nah.
Interesting. What about the actual Litecoin chart? Shirt squeeze? Yeah, dude. Shirt squeeze.
Squeezing my shirts.
Yeah, dude. I don't even know what you're talking about, man. Thanks, Matt Shaver, man. Love you too, dude. 88 Connect. Solid Tube. Get wrecked, dude. What's up, Mike Lamb? Are you serious? It's not too loud. That's crazy. Like, all my, like, spidey senses are going off. Like, this is too loud. This is going to be way too loud. What's up, Chuck G? XLM got some good volume on the news today. Whatever, dude. Sure, dude. Yeah, sure did, dude. Look at this, man. So it's daily.
threatening the ripple.
Yeah, dude. Hey, look how. First off, look how daily overbought. 76 on the RSI. So you know this thing's not going to last that long. Let's go to the 4-hour. We had divergence, but we sold off. But dang, dude, this thing's held pretty well. And look where we are now, right? Let's just extend this out. We're right there. The break.
Hugging that.
Right.
What's your yellow one?
Yellow one? What?
The
20 day or 20 moving average.
That thing tight.
Yeah, it's simple moving average, man. It's like it's beautiful. And thing is, look at this, man.
Simple moving average, man.
Yeah, dude. People are like exponential, man. It was like that, and you had like rising wedge, and you still have it, right? You're like still look at that. Look at the rising wedge, man, right there. That's what it looks like to me. Some bearish pattern, man. But hey, it's some love from Coinbase. If you love corn,
And then it like went to test.
It's like a false breakout.
Purple one, and it's just like
nope. It's like yeah, it couldn't.
we're doing the Drake.
Yeah, inverse Drake song, dude. Or no, actual Drake song. Yeah, started from the bottom. Now we here. I mean, dude, when you broke out, it's been talked about. We broke out. We back tested it. Where do we go from there? We're up on the up and up. My like throat's like drying out. Yeah, there you go. Let's open it. There you go, man. Dude, just enjoying my last night in Cali, man. All right. One day I'll write a book. Yeah, I sure will. I already know the topic, but I can't talk about it. So it's okay, man. Even if you extend this, you adjust it, it's still a rising wedge, right? Still a rising wedge, man. Okay, so the strange thing about it is, though, the divergence seems a little bit more nebulous now because you had it, you broke down some, but not much, and now you're starting to run again. So we know XLM on the daily and the 4-hour are overbought technically right now. So that's not really good. That means like trying to buy into something like this at a 618, at the golden retrace, at the top trend line of the ascending broadening wedge, at the top trend line of potentially that rising wedge in the shorter term after the impulse, right? So, dude, you're just
a news pump.
Yeah, dude, it's like, yeah, exactly.
It's like it would have fallen under this and broke that and
probably
ran back down near
200,
here.
yeah.
But the news pump.
Yeah, it's like, oh, we were listed, man. We did it, dude.
I like the road trips. Can you look at SC/BTC and my Storm/BTC?
See a coin.
See a coin? Sure, dude. Sure, man. Thanks, Steve, for the 333, dude. Seriously. Much love. Miss Shavin, dude. Oh, yeah, this one hasn't really moved much. Well, I guess it kind of has. Yeah, man. What the heck? I thought we had this charted. Feel weird now. What? Maybe it's not on this one.
Coin on Bittrex.
There it is. Yep. There. That's where it's charted too. Right. Let's go to the daily. I hate that, man. It's like you scale it out and you're like, wait, should I double click on it? It's like
it's the largest wick I've ever seen.
Yeah, it is stupid, man.
First wick of all time.
Y'all remember the diamond? Destroyed. Then the bear flag destroyed. Oh my god, man. Y'all reminiscing on the devastation that is unfolded on Sia coin. But look what's happened. Ladies and gentlemen, we've broken out of falling wedge. Daily bullish divergence. I do want to see something real quick. Why is my Discord not up? Hold on, dude. Give me a sec. In Cash Connect. Just give me a second. Oh, dude! Hey, look! Watch. So trade so did right. Look at it, right?
Oh, you can watch her play out.
Yeah, and then nuts.
I thought I was going to show you like highlight view of it.
These like refresh it. So like this is what we did on Patreon. Okay. I don't know how I'm gonna get this on the other screen. Let me see if I can do it. Let's see, I don't think it'll. Just give me a second. What, dude? What a joke, man. Thanks for the 150 people watching right now. I really appreciate y'all. We're just looking at Sia coin. You know, this is one we were looking at. I don't know how to get this to work. I might have to do something stupid like messing around real quick. Let's see if it works. Give me 2 seconds. Let me see. Chart 1. We'll just go to properties and change it to like. Okay, cool. Look, so this is what we did. We did this on our Patreon. All right. So this is just how it all started. Look, we were looking at daily on Bittrex. We were looking at the divergence, right? You clearly see we were just devastated. But look at this low and look at these lows. Much, you know, not much lower lows, right? Just a little bit. And then you started showing that wedge, that falling wedge pattern. And really it was just like this, man. It's just like, just like goes like straight up, breaks out of the falling wedge. And so you're like on your way, man. You're going to see that's kind of the moves you would expect with kind of divergence like this. Pretty insane. You can even hear on the daily, like there's like that divergence, all right? So, you know, man, that's about it. Okay, so I just wanted to show that since it's kind of relevant since you're asking about Sia coin. So, Sia coin, man. But we make a joke that we think that the real Sia coin is BNB because of what it did, right? Kangage.
Baby.
No, that's not it. Crown one. Okay, so we're back on the regular chart. Perfect. All right. Heck yeah, man. You're just getting used to this world of only having 2 monitors. It's, you know, whatever. Okay, fantastic. Fan-freaking-tastic, man. Mr. Shaverman satisfied. No cabinet. You broke out. You hit the 236. All right, from your high, major high, discernible daily swing high, to your low point. 382 is what we're expecting, looking for, just because it's a common retrace and just makes sense, right? So at least we know that swing low is probably in by hitting that 236, right? So cool stuff, dude. All right, cool stuff. All right. Get some more chat. What's up, my glam, dude? You have not missed anything. You missed it all, dude. Correct. Hey, Dan Styles, dude. The Colonel KNC, Kentucky Nuked Chicken, is looking to gain steam, dude.
Cleopatra, don't listen to anyone that's telling you next week Bitcoin will run to 15 or 20K.
Yeah, dude. Like, and if they do, like, come on, like, what's the technical analysis? Like, what's the argument? Is it just because they think that?
Feelings.
I feel that news and things are going to happen, dude. I feel it, man. They're like tarot readers, dude. Like, give me a break, man. Jeremy S., you like the harmonic, dude, on the XRP longs? Yeah, dude, it was lit, dude. Lit. Now, it's not a cipher, Kiki. A bearish cipher is when you're right, you know, that C point is a lower low. So when you double bottom, you make a lower low than your previous low. We made a higher low. So that's what signifies a difference. It's a different characteristic of swing lows. So no, it was not a cipher. It was, in fact, a Gartley. All right. So, Mr. Pace, dude. Thanks, Zipper, dude. You remember that diamond, Miss Shaverman? I remember, dude. Anonymous!
Family member really big on this. He doesn't use TA but says the funds are too good. Ticker is NYSE. Teo.
Teo.
Funds, man.
Dude, thanks, Anon, for the 1618, the golden mean ratio contribution, dude. Imagine that, man. T, not T, dude. Teo. Telecom, Argentina. Seems like that's probably it. Oh, that thing's getting ready, man. It looks like it's getting really impulse down, right? And then the slightly lower lows, right? At critical areas of support, with divergence out of the yin yang. The TA is gonna work on this.
It's contracting too.
Hey, you're getting closer, but I'll see though. Probably a channel though. Probably just a downsloping. I don't know. Let's try it like this. Oh my God. So huge impulse down, and now you're consolidating. And look, dude, it's already hit those levels, right? You see, looking right, like it already hit like one time. So you gotta really like this. It reminds me of the S coins, dude. All these S coins are doing very similar stuff, right? So look, you already had it, man. You already had like all that divergence going on. Yep. Well, that wasn't it. That wasn't divergence right there. It's not very clear here, but higher low than your previous low. Nice V, the V shape with the higher low. So if you break out, man, look, there are schools of thought here. You could look at this like a bump and run. All right. So for the beginning of the structure, anchor point 1 and 2, your first target really would be like 2348. I know it sounds crazy now, but like that's how bump and runs work, and that's like Bulkowski's targets. But I think a really way you could do it is like your major high to your major low. Dude, this thing, like the 236 is 1965, so even hitting like your scrubbiest, most shallow retrace, you're gonna have sick gains, dude, already, right? So I don't really know, man.
Left a bit for like,
dude, this looks like, and people could argue that, look, anchor point 1 and 2 here, so you start that down sloping price contraction, right? So that's that wedge on daily time scale. Right, so you just like look. It looks like that, man, to some degree. So not bad. He says he doesn't believe in TA, but TA is actually on his side right here.
In Telecom Argentina.
Yeah, we don't believe in TA, but we believe in Argentina's telecom.
You can't spell
Okay,
Argentina
dude.
without a T and an A.
Exactly, dude. So take heed of the potential falling wedge after an extremely large impulse. We've been selling off incessantly since January 2018, and we finally V-shaped, hit a bottom, a critical support looking left back from 2015, man. Give me a freaking break, dude. Give me a freaking break, all right? Low risk areas despite anything one may believe, all right? So we know the golden zone. The golden zone for even Argentina's telecom is between 2352 and 2977, dude.
Can you take a look at Digibyte? Fell pretty hard. Please clap.
Please clap. Kush Bond 6 for 3 repeating, of course. Thanks, man. Then, dude. Alright, dude. Keep your eye on Tio. Tio alert. We got this, man, okay? Well, you saw me click it right. Gaslit. Alright, we'll look at some chat, and then we'll go to, Digibyte, yeah. Digibyte Connect. Thank you, man. Thank man. James at the water cooler. What's up, Billy, man? Coming in from Oklahoma, dude. Thank you. What's up, Prosperity Plus, dude? Much love, dude. Thanks for always watching it, alright? You saw 2 shows today pitching XRPO.
XRP original, man.
Okay.
It's the new.
They kicked you because you called them out. Well, it's not. It's like pitching. I just don't understand. Yeah, I don't understand pitching. Like, there's nothing wrong with going to XRP as an asset, looking at it like you look at anything else and be like, hey, it's contracting. It's a neutral pattern, but it's near a lot of support, historical support. Like we're talking about upsloping support back from August 2017, and you also have like all the horizontal line support. Just like many others, XRP seems like a more lower risk area than a high risk area. We knew that. So that's it, dude. I mean, but, you know, if they're pitching XRP, I don't understand. Am I literally pitching something when we talk about it just having bullish indicators? Is that what pitching is? I don't know what, the context, TI ed, man. So
Just talking about other channels pitching it.
yeah, but I just don't know what pitching is. It me pitching if I look at Sia coin and I'm like, hey man, it was a falling wedge with daily bullish divergence and it broke the upside. Yeah, you're analyzing. So it's like, but what is considered pitching, right? I understand. Alessandra, I do not. I do have a.
For no good reason.
Yeah, there you go. I guess. Thanks, Matt, man. That's right, Mike Lam. You feel, dude. What's up, Kiki, dude? Oh my God, it's Wilson, dude. It's Wilson.
The live TA with Miss Ray World Tour 2019. Featuring Jeff Guerrero, Logan King, and Brad Fisher. Special guest Ben Ito and Star Wars Worlds. Coming to a town near you. Tickets start at $5.89 live from the XRP Studios, sponsored by Nutella.
Nutella is that
Official property of DreamWorks.
Yeah, dude. DreamWorks 2001, dude. Don't get wrecked, man. Dude, hey.
Castaway Wilson.
Hey, Wilson, dude, did you notice that it actually said live TA properly that time? It didn't say live TA with Mitch Ray? Holy crap. Wilson, man. Wilson, man. What's up, Greg D? You gotta get back on Discord. Yeah, dude, do it, man. Why not, man? Why not? Join the Harmonic House. That's what we are, dude. Is TRX Adam and Eve still alive? I don't know, man. You had Crypto Chef say, like, rip TRX. It makes me think, no, probably not.
We should have bought Satoshi that octopus painting.
Yeah, we should have. All the 8s? Wait, what was it? We gotta go to something else, though. Oh, yeah, man, that's, like, scary. Is it triple bottom, or are we screwed? That's really close, man. It was like an Adam and Eve.
It's even a lower low, like...
Slightly lower low, but like, see how the divergence broke the upside, but so low. No, it's literal double bottoming again. And let's look here. So it's just like, I mean, it's still okay. It's still like not dead yet. Yeah, man, it's really not that great. I don't know, man. You normally want to double bottom and then run up, but there's, you know, unless you break it for real, you're still okay, I guess. It's still like potential pattern, all right? So it's not something one should just give up yet, because you can always get that triple bottom, right? We've seen it time and time again. So that's your TR. Wait, that's what they're not even seeing what I'm looking at. So yeah, my bad. That's beautiful, though. That's beautiful, dude. Come on, man. Let's go, T.O. Let's go, Argentina, dude. Is that a joint?
Back in the top 100, baby. To the moon. Do the moon boy dance. Do the moon boy dance. Do the moon boy dance.
Kin to the win. K-I-N. Is that a cryptocurrency, man? I don't have enough awareness on that, dude. Thanks, man, for the 420 Elon Musk. We had to tip street performers today because they're competing against SpaceX to go to Mars, dude. So wish them all the best on their endeavor and their journey to our sister planet or something. Right, it's like Earth. It's like Earth, but we don't know, man. So we were gonna look at, what was it? Oh, Digibyte Connect. Yeah, we can look at Digibyte Connect. Of course, it fell far. Why would it not, dude? We finally broke the downsloping resistance like crazy. Good daily. All right, man. Crazy downsloping channel, right? But look here, listen. Shout out Sean Ranklin. Okay, downsloping resistance, man. You hit it and you fell.
What about, like, squeeze it more? What about some resistance of this?
Yeah, maybe.
Just
I don't think
not for all the fibs or channels above.
It's not. It doesn't help. It's not like. I mean, it might be there. Yeah, it might be there. But dude, those normally don't hold up very well. Like, but yeah, dude, it's there. It's definitely there. So, is it a triangle, man? I don't think so. I don't know. I felt like if you broke this, you're screwed. But we double bottom, right? Low, same low, neckline, broke up. Look, you like made it. It was a trade. It was a nice little trade that happened. We didn't partake in it, but it was still cool because you had the double bottom with the downswing resistance and broke it. Yeah,
it's
volumes.
Like
but then bam, right?
Yeah, one little pump.
But look, what do you expect, man? Though we didn't have any divergence, you ran up too high too fast, so you're not going to get divergence when you run up that fast. It's not going to happen. But if you run up here like that, you're normally looking to hit crazy resistance points. We sure as heck did, do we not? Perfect TA respect, and then we're selling off. Who cares, right? I mean, that's fine. So your 20-day just bullish across over your 200, but you've not yet gotten your coveted golden cross on the daily, which your 50-day would cross over at 200, man. Oh, yeah?
Oh my god, my favorite Beanie Baby is Gin.
Kin Connect. Thanks, Kin to the win for the Kin contribution. 333 or something. Repeating, of course. Thanks, dude. Much love, man. All right. I don't know if that's a thing, though, on TradingView. Kin's Mag in the top 100, man. Unfortunately, I can't analyze it because it is not on TradingView. I do not see it. It's not there. So there's nothing I can do about it. It's not like... You can't get mad at me that I can't look at it because I would, but I can't. Like, once Ken gets on TradingView, I'll be all in on Ken to analyze it. But it's just this show works that way where it's like if you're not on TradingView, Ken and I was like spend like a stupid amount of money on this tier of TradingView Pro.
It's probably not worth trading.
Yeah, that's a good point. Very good point. Because like if you can't do like traditional technical analysis on it to analyze it, man, that's not gonna be easy, dude. But I know there's like Coinkiny or whatever that has stuff. So I don't know, man. So Digibyte, man, is it any wonder why we sold off? Not any wonder at all, dude. Okay. James of the water cooler. Yeah, man. That is not pitching, dude. Blue, it wouldn't be too difficult to get Tio a little trade set up on Tio, man. Probably not, right? Dude, Discord does not have an H in it. Get wrecked, dude. Okay. I thought you misspelled it, but now I'm like,
Tell Greg.
No H.
It's Larry that it's the fib channel.
Fib channel what?
Custom setting.
What are they talking about?
Yes, what's the indicator with the diagonal lines?
Diagonal lines, yeah. Dude, it's fib channel. Yeah, dude. With we've manipulated the fib channel. Thanks, Larly. Miss Canton is mobile, dude. Or you're Mobile. Are you Mobile, Alabama, dude? Just don't know, man. Research knowledge into it. You don't think pitching. Yeah, dude. I don't know. It's like, what? I want to know, like, what is in it for somebody to pitch a crypto? Like, I get it if like they're paying you money, but like, if they're not, they have nothing to do with you, and you're like a streamer or something. Like, why are you like? You're almost like selling out for nothing. Like,
well, they're definitely paying them, or they give them a bag.
No way. No way. No one's paying. No one. No XRP. XRP is not paying anyone to like pitch their stuff
Dude,
on
back in the day,
YouTube.
just to show up when they were just starting, just to show up at one of their talks, they give you a fat bag of XRP.
Yeah, but like they're not like out there like they have a marketing team like looking for YouTubers. Hey man, so we like your show and we're seeing if you want to like push our product, our asset on your stream 3 times. If you do it 3 times, every stream will pay $500, whatever. Like they're just not doing that.
Well, it might be indirectly tied to them. Like someone has a huge bag of it, and so they want to succeed.
Okay, so that's like so you're like watching
so
you're like watching a streamer who like doesn't practice like good reward risk. Yeah, because they own some.
It's not for the people's.
Can connect. Cab up. You like a falling wedge? Miss Shower, who doesn't like the falling wedges? Me. Okay. Man, boy, tears, Billy, man. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Can you tune in where we're going? What do you mean, can you tune in where we are going? I don't understand what that means, Miss Shaver. Can you rephrase the question? Bong throwing man? Logan Wilson Kang?
Down to me.
It is the devil, man. That's right. Tuna fish can, Billy, man. Tuna fish, man. There you go, Greg. Kiki said it. All right. We've done it, dude. All right, we got through chat. Can't even believe it. How about, dude, like the CBOE, like closing up shop on futures trading for Bitcoin? That's pretty big development. Interesting development, anyway.
Let's check out the article. Did you actually read through it?
Yeah, it wasn't long.
Just got dated on the headline.
No. They literally are done. Like that's like you were like saying. Like it could be. It was like the headline, and I read them like not. They're literally like not doing it anymore. Like they're just like done because the liquidity is gone. It's not worth it for them. It seems. I'll look for it. I don't think
just to OTC off the chain.
Yeah, here we go. It's like a 9-hour ago article. It's like the first U.S. exchange to introduce Bitcoin futures will stop listing the product. CBOE Global Market says it does not currently intend to list any additional Bitcoin futures for trading, but not fully close the door on crypto. So they're not. They want to, keep a door open for it. I guess it's still assessing its approach for how it plans to continue. Yeah, that's not retail and interest in cryptocurrency trading has largely dried up since 2017 mania. And then it's like, so CBOE Global Markets, which rolled out the first Bitcoin futures contracts in December 2017, has decided to stop adding new ones. In a statement last week, the CBOE Futures Exchange said it will not add Bitcoin futures in March. Okay, great, dude. It's all redundant. It did not rule out the possibility of other cryptocurrency derivatives, though, and is assessing its approach for how it plans to continue. In the meantime, active Bitcoin contracts are still available to trade, but the last of them expires in June. Wow. Oh, look at me. Look at it. There it is. See?
Yeah, true stoner, man. True stoner. We had some Harris Ranch beef tacos today.
It's fantastic.
From your homelands.
Yeah, it was so good, dude. So freaking good, dude. Alright, so I want to ask about V-Chain. V-Chain doing things. Okay, dude. Oh, look here, listen. Well, we broke out of the ascending triangle, the Kangage, the double bottom. It all started. My God, man. Like, what more could you even ask for? Did we backtest? Did we touch it? No, it doesn't look like on the daily we touched it. But you can see impulse up, down sloping consolidation. All right. You know what's going on, dude. You know what's happening, man. All right, what does that mean? Proper consolidation after an impulse up gives reason to believe that we're setting up for higher prices. That's just what that means, man. You impulse, you downslope, you backtest, whatever. You could run all the way down to 127 again, but we know that was the critical area that had to be broken. We got as high as 142, and we've actually hit the 236 before selling off a little bit, which is perfect. I mean, this is such healthy behavior that V-Chain's doing, okay? So we know what, dude? We know we broke out of a channel that extended back to September 2018. From that high point to low point, this is the 23% retrace I'm talking about. Measure move of the ascending triangle is 152, but we know the golden zone, dude. The golden zone is all the way up here. People call us crazy back here. We're crazy, dude. Bradford, we're crazy. But now it's like 167 to 207 is that common retrace zone. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me, man. Okay? Thanks, dude. All right. No symmetrical triangle. This is a straight up ascending triangle breakout, dude. Kangage. It was our key word yesterday. That's what we used. So, unreal, man. True Stoner, man. What's up, dude? Me too, man. Oh my God. Tommy is rotten in prison? Nah, dude. I know Tommy. He was our bartender yesterday, and he was a really nice guy. Okay. So, ask Jeff, dude.
Hey, can you all stay for after party again? Love all of you. It is great like in there.
Well, thank you too much, Chef, man. Thanks for $3.33, man. Yeah, dude. Dang, it's like 7:34 here. So that's like 9:34. No, that's like 10:34 Eastern. Jeez, man. It's like I'm still like been here this whole time, and like I'm still not used to like the timing, dude. Okay, man. Jeez, man. Ooh.
Is your baby Elon?
Yes, yeah. I don't know who y'all are talking about with Tommy, but whatever, man. Okay, dude. Okay, man. Hey, it's your local on the 8s or something? I don't know how long we've been live. We've been live for an hour and 8 minutes, so clearly is some sort of...
8 minutes. No 138 watching.
Dude, Bitcoin, for real, dude. Or not Bitcoin. V-Chain, Bradford's touch down here, man. 107. That was the entry. That was like a Patreon trade setup, dude. Look where we are, man. That's a huge amount of gains, dude. It's been lit, man. The trade setups have been lit. And if they're off a little bit, they're still pretty freaking close to being right. Like, they're not like, perfect, but like, dude, the education you gain from just seeing what we're like posting, it's so good, man. All right. Anyway, let's go to Bitcoin again. And it's just like we've been hopping around, dude, too, for like months, man. It was like that XRP, like that second one, Christmas. And then we go from the XRP profits and we go straight into Litecoin. And Litecoin blows up late December.
How Raven looks, dude.
Raven coin, man.
Those pigeons,
dude, yeah. Dude, they legit, like, I don't know, man. People are asking about every crypto under the sun. Okay, man, so I don't know, dude. Currently, we're looking at one crypto, the one crypto to rule them all, and that is Bitcoin, and that's that bearish cipher pattern that no one believed, man. They were like, this is all bullcrap, dude. This is all fake down here. It's all fake. We called this bullish divergence, dude, and it was like, bam, up $200+ in a day from the divergencies. Back testing that old trend line. Remember, y'all? It was so boring analyzing it every day. And it was like, we give up, dude. We're quitting crypto because it's too boring. And we kept partying. We kept making entries. We kept becoming kangs, dude. All right, so still looking for that 786. It does seem like with an impulse up and downsloping consolidation, you do have some sort of ripeness to pivot and run again. And a measure move is going to put you at the 886 probably or higher, but we're just more interested in the 786, 4076, 4100, man. That's kind of the area, because hypothetically we're looking at, like, think about the impulse, huge amount of positive momentum. You have negative momentum hump on the consolidation. So one more run, we get halfway to the measure move or whatever at this fib node. We show that nasty bearish divergence potentially. We'll see. And then we would dump, right? Question mark, is this going to happen? This is what we would hope would happen, okay? Or would think would happen. It just would make the most sense, all right? Whew, holy crap. I don't know, man. I just don't know, dude. Okay, man. Perfect W. That's right, perfect W, man. But no one sees it until it already happens. It's like, what, man? That's bullcrap, dude. That's bullcrap, man. Okay, so that's our thought process on Bitcoin, man. Bitcoin price prediction: 4,076 to 4,100. All, I mean, 4,128. No big deal either there. Okay, so Jeremy S was asking about 886, man. He sees the Bulkowski likes 786. So does Casey Stubbs, who I like a lot. But then he's talking about other people. Can you pitch us some Dash?
Can you pitch us some Dash?
Oh my God, dude.
Hashtag
Baba, man. I can't believe you, man. I can't believe you would say that, dude. Yeah, dude. Yeah, we'll look at some Dash, dude. Are you dashing? Are you Ian, dude?
This is for Matt Schaefer.
Are you Ian? No, I'm Pablo. I'm Pablo, man. All right, dude. You know it, dude. This is like just a trade setup, dude. It was a trade setup. It hit our entry like the Jesus man, and then bounced. But look, man, so you're not out of the woods, not even close to being out of the woods on this trade setup. But swing trading, it takes days, right? Sometimes weeks, and that sucks. But because opportunity cost. But like you clearly see, man, Rob, I'm gonna pitch you. I already pitched it, dude. All right, we already pitched it, dude. We just like, this is like one of the worst. I've said it before. I'm reiterating the analysis. Like, this is like one of the worst top 100 S coins I've seen on a chart on TradingView anyway. That the obliteration of this price since December of 2017 to now has been awful. So incessant selling, very little pumps on the way down. But on the way down, we finally broke that crazy channel, that structure, formed a falling wedge, and then we formed a symmetrical triangle, and we said, like, okay, this is how it works, man. The daily bullish divergence, this is how rallies begin. This is what your price action looks like at the end, okay, the slightly lower lows, and then you start making higher lows, and it's like Momo shift, because then you broke out the wedge, man, come on. And so, like, you're now outside the triangle, and so we're just doing for our first target that the measured move of the sim triangle. It seems like a prudent, conservative target, but dude, this is like, is this going to be it, man, where this is the major retrace? It would make all the sense in the world, right? Because we're even being pretty conservative on our Fibonacci here. So they're just looking at the daily discernible swing high up here, not even here. We're saying up here, high to low. 236 at 27,413. All right, so first target was just the bread and butter measure move of a triangle. Second target is a 382. Okay, your first target or first fib node in the common retrace zone, which we call the golden zone, and then just 50% is, you know, your third target, 38,367. So pitching, meh, you know, whatever, dude. We had bullish divergence, the falling wedge after a breakout, walkout of a downsloping structure. Okay, that's been going on since December 2017. That's insanely long, all right? Longer than like almost all the other top 100 coins. So now the higher lows, that's great news, man, Rob. So there you go, man. Much love, dude. Thanks for the $20 contribution, man. Okay, dude. That's it, dude. Okay, let me know how that goes, man. Thanks, dude. Holy crap. Whew. Holy crap. Yeah, dude. This one kangage, dude. All right, so our entry got hit, and we are kangs, dude. We in on this, dude. MK gonna get y'all. He's gonna get us, man.
Yeah. He's the Lord Enforcer.
Matt Shaver said he's going to do a shot with you, dude.
Yeah, cheers.
Cheers, man.
Thanked.
Clinking beer mugs. Holy crap, dude. Holy crap. Alright. Just going to doubt off a little bit, man. Lord Ray, not Mitch. Yeah, that was funny, dude. That was funny, dude. Oh my god. MK in Mortal Kombat when people say Mitch. Yeah, dude. Amanda Johnson. Mike Glenn, what are you talking about, dude? I don't know what that is. Okay, holy crap, dude. This is nuts, man. Alright. Sweet, man. Well, thanks for everyone like showing up tonight. I don't know, like this is just Trading View, Dirty Fergie. Trading View. Yeah, man, I don't know. We've been live like, I don't know, like hour 16 minutes on a travel stream as we just been analyzing. Like, dude, I don't even know how many we've analyzed, but it's been a pretty decent amount, right?
So many.
Yeah, it hasn't been too bad. I guess we can just go back to like Ethereum real quick, just check it out, because we look on the 8s that Rob R came in, called an audible on the programming, man. That's what you get to do, dude. Yeah, let's pivot next. Okay, so look, we made the adjustment again. If you're just tuning in to Ethereum, the adjustment was this up here, right? So if you do 1 and 2, you now have 2 upsloping converging trend lines. So rising wedge after a crazy impulse, right? So not good, man. That's not good, dude. Okay, but hey, man, if Bitcoin pivots and wants to run to its 786, you could bet your butt probably Ethereum's going to try to run to a 618 at least. Okay, so you hear it's on. Electronium's not. Is it really on TradingView now? What? No. Is that how you spell it? No, it's not. Electron. What's the ticker? Dude, what's the ticker
It's
for?
probably on Bittrex if it is on a main one. It's not Binance.
But like, I don't know that I gotta have the ticker to
Just
be even.
type like ELEC and then space Binance.
Yeah, let's see. Nothing. We can just go to
Space,
crypto. Look,
type
look.
Binance.
Wait, where's crypto? Oh. Oh my god, dude. Wow. Oh boy.
Oh, Huobi.
Wow.
Huobi.
Oh, it's. Yeah, dude.
my
We
God.
got a winner, dude. We got a winner on our hands. How long has it been here, dude? Dude, it's March 14th. Wow.
It's even been here this long.
4 days.
Look at that scrub.
We can finally analyze this S coin. But Mama said, well, Mama was wrong
Like,
again.
they just got started.
Yeah, dude. Just getting ready to wreck your face. And probably going to be something like that, dude. I mean, that's like legit probably what's going on. Like 1 and 2 and 3. We could do fib extensions, I guess, right? Low point to high point. Okay, 1272. So 149 is the target for now. See if we can get there. We are oversold, and we are starting to develop a little bit of bullish divergence on a 60-minute chart. There's just not enough data on the 4-hour to even look at this, so you're kind of relying on scrubbier, faster time scales. All right,
Scrubbiest.
so well, I don't know. 1 hour's not that scrubby.
Scrubby.
Yeah. Oh boy. Oh boy. Who a buy? Hubai?
Huobi? I don't know.
Huabi? Who a buy? Alright, dude. Holy crap, dude. Full moon coming for the dump charity, yeah, dude. And the dump, man. Oh my god, dude. Holy crap. She sent me a babies and I liked it, man.
Thank you very much.
Sure thing, Greg Morgan, 1941, man. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. Dude, my shirt's like all scuffed, dude. It's like coming off. I don't even
Been
know.
doing things.
It falls off, dude. It's like,
You're not in Kansas anymore.
yeah, dude, not in Kansas, not in Oklahoma anymore with Billy, man. That looks like going to man. There's no one to ETN. Oh my god. That's right, it was ETN, yeah. Oh my god, man. Holy crap. So, okay, man. That's really all I got for you. I don't know if, like, you got this. Sorry. I'm going to go with 149, and then 146, and then 143. Fib extensions. Low points to high points. Kangage points. All right. Cool, dude.
Does that bottom of that first wick even start, or the first candle even start? Oh my god.
137. Dude, it's all S show, dude. It's all like whatever, man. A bunch of crap, dude. A bunch of crap.
So sad.
What's up, Coach K? Ultra Instinct G the Smell. Welcome, dude. Welcome.
Coach K.
Coach K, man.
Yes. First one to call you Lord tonight.
I can't believe it, man. Yeah, dude, I can't believe it, man. Can't believe you wouldn't call me Lord Ray. How dare you? That was funny, though. I've never heard it before. I've never heard that before. I'm like, wow. Eyes of the World's playing now. Like, it's really, really freaking good, dude. We having a stream from my bathroom, Natek? Nah, dude. We're in Venice Beach, though. That's a little better than my bathroom, right?
We're about 20 steps from Venice Beach.
Yeah, about 20 steps from the bathroom. Well, no, about 3 steps from the bathroom. That is behind us.
Where you at, Natek?
Yeah, Natek, man.
Doing nothing.
Yeah, get wrecked, dude. Get wrecked, man. Look at this, dude. 4 hour. Durr, we just started oversold. We're at 15 on the RSI. We've never been higher than 18 on the RSI in the history of this asset.
Basic.
Yeah, dude, that's
We live our life
pathetic.
and it will
So pathetic. But hey, I guess you could say to some small, scrubby, pathetic degree that is bullish
not
divergence.
even worth it, dude.
4 hour bullish divergence.
We can't even get to like 30, 35.
Oh my god, man.
What are you doing?
No, it's stupid. Okay, so I think someone was asking about something. Music is low. What?
What music?
How is the music low,
Their
dude?
music.
Dude, is it really low
You mean the sights
Can
and
you
the
hear it?
sounds?
on your
TA.
side?
Not really.
I'll turn it up. Oh, it's like too good of music. I went to the doctor today and he said I was in too good of health. It was too good of music. Turn it a little bit. It seems like it's fine. 25 is not bad. Minus 25. Moved to SoCal, Arlo. Yeah, all ended on, exponentially increasing how much I pay for living.
And exponentially increasing experiences.
Yeah, and fun times, man. Absolutely fun times. What music? Don't you dare say that, man. Don't you talk about that. Okay, go back to XRP stablecoin.
Someone just said Orange County is like Venice, but clean and nice.
Okay, here you go, dude.
If Venice was clean and nice, it would not be Venice. It would be, but a suburb of LA.
Yeah, this is no music. This is ear candy. Yeah, just turn it up, dude. I'll just leave it on all night. We'll just be a grateful dead live stream, okay? Volley wedge into the F7 channel, into a triangle again, dude. Oh my god, price contraction, new stablecoin. We have not changed our price much, dude. We've had some highs and lows, dude, but dude, this is pretty stable coin since like January of this year, okay? So it's been a very boring coin to analyze. Like, there's just not much to talk about because it doesn't move much. Like as of late, okay, and we're talking like the year of 2019 has been the year of the stablecoin for XRP. All right, play grab. You skated Venice in '88. '88, man.
'88. Yes.
It's all about TA, Zipper. It's all about TA, dude. Okay. Holy crap, dude. Y'all are cool, man. I like y'all. And thanks so much for making showing up to stream so easy, so effortless, and so fun.
I had a good question. Which coin do you like best, or is it all about the TAs?
I mean, really, crypto for me is spelled TA. I mean, like, I get it. Like, Binance, yeah, it makes money, right? It, like, has a working product, and it, like, gives me reason to believe it's a better coin than others, but mostly all of them are about the same in terms of, like, we're making
like
progress,
Bitcoin.
dude. Yeah.
Bitcoin affects them all drastically.
Yeah, but, like...
It'll make all the other coins defy their TA.
But then in these markets, like Binance is performing so freaking well because it's like an exchange, and it like they make money no matter what happens. Like,
it's inverse, like Bitcoin.
Yeah.
In general.
Yeah.
Not always, but in general.
But really, I mean, I don't know. Favorite coin, probably Bitcoin, because to me, it respects the TA stupidly well. Like, all the time on significant time scales, dude. Like, it's just really reliable. Like, you can just depend on Bitcoin respecting the TA most of the time, and that's why I like BTC. All right. But whatever, man. Sorry, it's not going to go 1,000% in a second. All right. And it's not even about, like, me liking it because I feel like I like it. It's just like I see it do good things, man. All right. Thanks, Untamed Feast. Appreciate it, man. Much love. All right. Thanks for being here.
That's what we've been doing. Having feasts that are untamed.
Yeah. We have been feasting untamedly, or something. It doesn't. It's probably not right, but it sounds good. Untamedly. Let's look at Kentucky Nuked Chicken for Canatoma, man. I remember he said that earlier. Yeah, it was eventually going to happen, dude. Look, so I mean, the bullish divergence was extreme on the 4-hour, right? It was just like lows, slightly lower lows to a double bottom, pretty much, right? You're just like, look, dude. See that? That's a lower low, or same low, and it's just like stupidity. The amount of Momo, yeah, it is just like, of course it's going to rally, but it looks like to me it's going to be an ascending scallop. Ascending scallops normally run up 70% of the way. That's what Bulkowski says, but I don't know if we'll get there. I really don't. So, crazy move up though. This one was one of those. It was legendary, right?
It, like, rebounded right off all this.
Yeah, support. Right? Yeah, dude, absolutely. Crazy, man. And I just like flatlined on the RSI when popped. Right, that's great. The divergence helped us, see that it might be moving, but dude, good luck making higher highs. But we just know in Kuiper, like, dude, for real, 382, 50%, 618 on a daily time scale is nuts, dude. Okay. I mean, this up here, golden zone, 13,000 to 19,000 area. I mean, that's it. All we did, man. Like 1 and 2 and 3 on the bottom, 1 on the top.
Yeah, but look at the 382 lining up with like
all to resistance.
Some hard resistance.
Yeah, but that's like, perfect though. That's like, and that's like golden zone. That's where we say that's where areas of profit taking up here, like for a swing trade, right? Because we're starting to pivot now. Right, nice closing reverse tweezer double top. See that? Pretty nice, dude. But now, hey, look, golden cross is almost imminent now. We're about to be getting a daily golden cross on Kentucky Nuked Chicken, dude. Oh my god. But we know what's going to happen. If this thing does run again, good luck. You're going to be making bearish divergence of the yin yang, right? On the daily. Not going to be easy. So, yeah, man. KNC, dude. We did it, dude. We did it, man. What's up, Butson, dude? Good to see you too, Mr. Butts. Mr. Butson, sorry. Holy crap.
Kentucky Nuked Chicken? What were you
Yeah, that was Mr. Cantoma called it, dude. And it stuck with me. I'm like, yeah. It's true. When XRP bombed Crypto Harbor.
It's like some beer mugs.
Clinking beer mugs.
I had to find my way into the screen.
It's hard. It didn't even show up here. Do it now. Clinking. There it is. Engine coin, man. Oh my god, look at engine coin. Look at this. Look at that. Look here, listen. Okay, all right. Everyone, look here, listen to every crypto in the world, dude. Okay, dude. Let's go 4 hour. I think that's what we're looking at. Yeah, dude. Whatever. Yeah, it blasted the past, man. Like, what do you think happened, dude? You broke out, and now you're back testing, right? Look how you back test. It was once a support, is now a resistance. It's okay though, man. You're just continuing to run up. That's great, dude. That's great. Probably 1 and 2 and 3 there, right? Jeez, I can't even see, man. The scaling.
You're flirting under 4,500.
The scaling's so nuts, dude. See, like, you didn't even hit that support, dude. See, you almost did, but you just didn't, man. All right, so it's just like, whatever, dude. It's tough, man. Like, I don't care about these ones that do that. Like, they're just... even up here, man, it's like, really... it's not going to be easy. Like, trade setups aren't going to be as easy up here as they'd be down there. But look, it looks like some sort of Adam and Eve double bottom, though. Adam and Eve double bottom. Nice spread to the upside. Great. Bullish and golden candle. Lots of positive momentum. Very close to overbought, but not quite. All right? And that's it, dude. Holy crap. Yeah, we've looked at Tron Connect, Chaz, dude. Thanks for being here. Chaz, man. Kangs, dude. Kangs.
Oh my god, it's Chaz, dude.
Chaz Connect. Kappa. Oh, the 589 posse, man, in effect, dude. Hyper scalpers, dude. Yeah, exactly. Good for them, dude. Good for them. Let's get XMR real quick. Alright, man. Well, we made it, dude. We made it to the entry, but we're still struggling, alright? This one, you would think, dude, is just like pretty bread and butter, simplistic. Major high to low. Yeah, you know, you've hit the 382 before. But look, you're seeing accumulation, but you're making slightly lower highs. So, like, if you're at the bottom of the triangle, these are the areas where we won't be taking position. Perfect, man. So, very good. Very, very good. All right, so let's see if we can bounce and run, at least at the top at 13,921 sats. If we can break that, man. Measure moves pretty intense, dude. Just like it was intense here. Look, huge triangle. We broke out. Measure move was literally down here, okay? And we just held it for a while before consolidating again and breaking the upside. So impulse down. What do we look for? We look for pattern development. Kangage, dude. Kangage. Yeah, hit that like button if you're enjoying. You know, hit that like button, that bell, that sub if you're enjoying the broadcast. Really appreciate it. I don't think we've had one new sub on the broadcast in like a year. Okay, like wow, it like doesn't. It's like weird, man. It's like it just doesn't even happen anymore. It's like thanks for not subbing. Thanks for wow. I don't understand. Like it's just like. I didn't even know it was like a big deal. I didn't even know it was like, wow, man, yeah, you're just not gonna grow. You're just screwed. It's like, okay, great. It's whatever, man. No, I mean, it's like no wonder, like CBOE. It seems like they're struggling too. The whole crypto market is just like, dude, good luck, man. OK Cash is starting to get bubbly. OK Cash Connect. I don't know what that means, dude. Okay, anyway, I guess we're gonna wrap it up. Alright, it's been a good stream. We're a good stream, alright. Dude, we have looked at a lot today. Been very effective, very efficient Monday stream. Thank you all for working on yourselves, getting better today.
So the lingo reviewing Kentucky Nuke Chicken was kind of complicated.
Yeah, Kentucky Nuke Chicken, get wrecked, MLB, get wrecked. Oh my god.
We'll just say it's extra crispy.
Yeah, extra crispy. Extra kangage. Scar says, so much fun hanging out. Much love to TA Mitre. Thanks for the honorable host for his vocation in LA to include MK, Jeff Probst, Growl, and Kang. Mother effing Logan, dude. That's right, dude.
I try not to F mothers too much.
Yeah, dude. Don't do that, man. That's not good, man. That's not good, man. People wouldn't appreciate it. Holy crap, man. Alright. So, y'all, I appreciate it. It's now time for your local on the It's Kappa. Yeah, we're just going to turn on the music and leave it on for a little bit and then just sign out, okay? If you want something broadcast while we're saying thanks for watching, whatever, feel free to, get us back here. You can resummon us, I guess, but I'm just going to go ahead and do this. Thanks for watching. Oh my god, dude. I can't tell. I have a microphone, like, literally. Alright. Thanks for watching. Question mark. I'm on Burgundy. So we're going to leave this up. If you want to sum us back, feel free to for a request or something like that. But we're just going to leave that Grateful Dead on, that beautiful music. WRAY 88.8. We got your backs on all your TA and music requests. Okay, man? So, thanks so much, everyone. Enjoy the sights and the sounds of the funk with the dead. So say goodbye, Logan, man. Say goodbye, dude. You don't have to, never mind. Alright. So, until next time, respect the TA.
Logan's tip.
Thanks so
Send me a
much.
ship.
Thanks so much, Game Man, with the $3 petition by the good King, man. King, dude. Go down, man. Oh my god.
Wonderful. Analysis, we're going to the moon.
god, this isn't King Fu, man. Oh my god, man, I'm so depressed, man.
Ladies and gentlemen, you've reached the end of this side of this tape. Please flip over to side 2 for the next adventure of TA with Mitch Ray. Traveling TA, Los Angeles. Okay. I'll be back tomorrow, but I won't be here. And it'll be late or something. I don't know what I'm going to do traveling. It's not going to be fun tomorrow because I'm like losing all this time again. So I'll be back tomorrow. Thanks so much, everyone, for the contributions, love, support. I'll see you on the other side. Respect the T. Hey.